Channel Acres. We are having an exciting day here. We're going to harvest some honey. We haven't harvested any at all this year. This will probably be our only harvest of the year. This is our first year with these hives that we got earlier in the spring. So we're just going to get in there and see how much honey we can take out of there and just kind of go from there. We've got some tubs here that we're going to put the frames in to carry them over to where we're going to extract the honey. We have a new honey extractor this year, and I'll show you more of that in a few minutes. And what else do I need to say? I think that's it. I'll get suited up and we'll get in the hives and start pulling frames out. Whoa.
You've been busy?
Holy cow. Come and look at this. I think every frame is full of honey.
Ooh. Can't see it with the camera real good, but we will shortly.
Yeah, this didn't have any honey stored in it when we were in here last. How long ago was that? A month ago?
Yeah.
And it's full now. So we got quite a few frames out. Our extractor will not hold the deep frames, the ones that are extra tall. So all we could take out were the ones that were in the super. And this is what we got here, and we're going to head over to the extractor and get busy getting honey out. Get some frames here. Get the bees off. You can get an electric, like a heated knife to scrape the cappings off, but I think a regular knife works good enough. Ooh, I can smell it. You smell the honey? Mm-hmm. The cells actually have a slight angle upward towards this part of the frame when they're in there so that the honey doesn't drip out. So I'm going to put the top of the frame, this wider part, towards the outside of the extractor.
Is chewing the wax better than chewing the fat?
I would imagine. Okay, now for this we have to keep this valve open here because if the honey pools up too much in the bottom of the extractor, then this won't turn properly and it'll kind of ruin things. So We've got the valve open. I think it's called the honey gate. Oh, we gotta go clockwise with this. Was I going counterclockwise?
Yeah.
Get away, bee. Gotta go clockwise with this. So we'll do this for about 5 minutes and check on it and see how much honey is out of there. We did these for about 5 minutes and I think they're pretty much cleaned out. See if we can get a good shot of this. I don't know if this will show up good on camera or not, but those cells are pretty well empty now. This is the other side. Just whips it right out of there and it keeps the cells intact, so it's easier for the bees to go back and reuse these. So we're done taking honey for now. We ended up getting honey from about 12 frames from the hives. There is some more in there that looks like they're getting close to capping, and we'll check on that in the next week or two to see if we can get any more. It's getting late in the season, so we're going to have to keep an eye on the weather and just kind of see if that's something that's wise to do at this point. So we're just going to keep an eye on it for now. We got about 30 to 35 pounds of honey from those frames, and this is a jar right here. That's what that looks like. There are air bubbles in it right now, so it looks a little bit cloudy, but those will settle to the top eventually. We do have our own little cute label on the top. And you notice that top is sealed on there. I didn't process this or heat it in any way. All I did was did the vacuum sealer attachment on our food saver. You can use that to seal jars, just vacuum seal them. And that way I don't have to use the bands on the jars as well. I can use those for canning. So that's all I did there, is just vacuum sealed it so that the top will stay on. The extractor that we used is from Maxent, and I will post a link to their website down below. And I'm very happy with them so far. I haven't purchased anything other than the extractor, but the customer service was good, and it's very well built and made in the USA. So I give them a thumbs up. So go check them out. And if you like our videos here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And you can also subscribe for free on our website, flannelacres.com. That's it for now, and have a happy fall. See you guys later.